Hello, food lovers from around the world, and welcome back. If you are looking for a healthy breakfast idea, you've just found a great one. Zucchini or summer squash patties are easy to make but pack a lot of vitamins and flavor, especially if you serve them with a nice yogurt sauce. Let me show you how to make both. But first, a quick trip to the garden to pick up the fresh zucchinis and squashes. They grow very fast, so every couple of days you will have to go out there and pick them. I have a few different kinds, but I don't notice a huge taste difference between them. They just look different. The most productive ones in my garden this year have been the white scallop squashes, so we have them pan-fried almost every morning for breakfast. But this time I decided to switch things up a little. Look at those bees, hard working early in the morning. We love the bees in the garden. And this is just a tomato plant that appeared by itself over here. I decided to let it grow and see what kind of tomatoes it will bear. And it has very flavorful cherry tomatoes that go very dark in color. I am also picking some male flowers to make stuffed zucchini flowers with them. Those are fabulous. Make sure you subscribe to be notified as soon as I will post that recipe. Now that we have everything, let's make our patties. You will need the zucchinis we just picked, dill and parsley, eggs, flour, breadcrumbs, cheese, and I used parmesan and mozzarella, garlic, and salt and pepper. We begin by cutting the ends of our zucchinis and grating them on a box grater. You can use a food processor to speed things up. Now we put them into a colander and salt them. This will help drain the liquid easier. Meanwhile, we chop the parsley and some of the dill. You can use either one or both, whichever one you prefer. We put the grated zucchini in a mesh bag and squeeze as much liquid as we can. The liquid will make our patties mushy and we don't want that. In a bigger bowl, we beat the eggs with some salt and pepper. We squeeze the fresh garlic in and add the zucchinis and the herbs. We add the cheeses and mix again. Feel free to use any kind of cheese you like. We finally add the flour and the breadcrumbs and mix everything well. These two will help absorb the moisture and also bind the mixture together. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can use just flour. While they rest a little, we'll make the sauce. A little homemade yogurt, and I will leave you the recipe for it below. A squeeze of lemon, pepper and salt, and give it a mix. Add the minced garlic and the finely chopped dill. Dill and yogurt go very well together. One more mix and it is ready. Now we can fry the patties. We take a spoonful and form it into a ball. We flatten it gently and fry them in just a little bit of oil on medium heat. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes on each side or until nicely golden. We take them out on a plate lined with a paper towel to absorb the extra oil. Every gardener that I know in the summer, after blessing all the neighbors with summer squash and zucchinis, are still left with a bunch that come in at record speed. So we have to get creative and use them in something fast and delicious. That's how I came up with this recipe to try to manage the production a little bit. Luckily, everyone liked them. I hope that you will try them too, even if you don't grow them in your own garden, and will let me know in the comments below if you've liked them. Also, if you have any other suggestions of how to use or preserve squashes, I will appreciate if you share them with me. See you in the next video. Bye!